Yebethunani khankinitsho Ungizo Mchunu uthathwaphi. I am kwazuhleka ndethu bethunani. I had to come and do this video ke sibukele sisonke to react to i-video zakhe. Now Ungizo Mchunu ebekhe wa flyer with Safe, and then kwakho ingxaki ngoba bathe xa belenda benza irawraw eplanini, and then ngoku ufly Safe uyawampanisha. So wenze enye video ke ngoku ibona ngoku reply to i-punishment ka Fly Safe. Kan nibukele ke lento yenzekayo eplanini njoba nje ngoku sekule ngxaki akuyo.
King Shaka International Airport. We need you fly. We need you fly. This is our culture. We need you fly. You have to respect this is King Shaka. Usaifa felo ongidakelwayo ongisendela incwadi yokuthi mina uyangisuspenda ngiphinde ngiligibele ibhanwe lawo. Ngicela ukubanika 7 days ukuthi bexolise. They must come back and apologize to me as the president of the Pingwe Nation and to entire Zulu Kingdom. Ukuthi sithethe indiza silendile, safety landed. Saphinde sasukuma isihleli phansi indiza ngesikhathi ukuthathwa kwekhama, sakhuza izakha, sakhuza bayede, sacula iculo elithi ke Nkonyane kaNdaba bayede Nkosi weNkonyane kaNdaba kwanyaka semkhonto. Ngoba umthandazo wethu loyo eKing Shaka International Airport fanele sikhothame enkosini yethu ngokosiko, futhi ngabe zonke izindiza mayisuka noma zilenda eKing Shaka International Airport ziyabhawa zikhothame enkosini yethu ilebe kaMlombo Khaliphone Dumehle zikamezi, ngoba iyona nto kuphela sinayo. If we can have businesses, if we can have economy, at least we have history, a fruitful history, and the best on top. We can't lose that. Ibalekile leyo nto. Alikho lelodwa iqala esilenzile thina. Uma khona iqala esilenzile nephuphu engaze igibele ngisho amabhanoyi ezikhuluma kuphela. Asiboshonga ngani ngoba umthetho awu negotiate. Umthetho awu understandiswa.
Ba respondile ke abantu on social media besithi bona bayazidistance kuNgizo Mchunu as amaZulu, makangathi umela iZulu Nation ke yonke lento yakhe ayithethayo and ayenzayo. He was just being disrespectful kubantu abeku flight kunye naye, njengobani bona nabelungu mntakabayo eplanini baxakiwe. Khalimpempe kuyakhahlelwa kuninzi. So ke uNgizo Mchunu uhlelwe ilonto leyo akasavumelekanga uba angaphinde athi fly with Safe. Uthi King Shaka xa befika King Shaka yona leya ezi airport funeka ithi bow down kwilembe, because abanye abantu ku plane abava noba kuthwana noba kwenzeka ntoni. And guys, izinto ezenzekayo ngoku kukhona izinto zethonento lento ye-fees ntontoni kuthiwa intoni imexabiso lento ibhatalisa abantu nomonde into lento ye-fees yenziwayo, lento ye-fees eke nkosi. So iwesike ngoku kukhona lento ye-protection fee. So what if njengoba beku-flight kanti ngabantu abafuna i-protection fee, umuntu ufuna banifuna le plane ilande safely, sifuna i-protection fee, and ke ngoku while bephe emoyeni abanokwazi ube befona besithini bakhutshisa imali baphaka ifone, kuthi ungabikho umuntu uzawufona uzawuthini phofu zithathwe ilande flight, kuthi wonke umuntu must act as if yonke into right because bakhona nabanye abantu baphakathi e-airport. Like you never know xa kuzabe sike kuphakame ku flight kwenziwe irawraw ba kwenzeka ntoni. So abantu bebethukile kule flight ngoba bengayazi ba kwenzeka ntoni, abelungu ingakumbi abanye ke banomsindo nakwabanye aba bavayo baba kwenzeka ntoni baqhubekayo nabo bayakhahlela kodwa bayabona kuyanqandwa and ke ngoku you can hear ba kuyathethwa ba okay we're preparing to land or whatever into ziqhela uthethwa eplane ungizomchunena ubusiness raw yakhe na for safety reasons ibingekho right lanto ebeyenza khe nitsho ke nani bethuna nicinga ntoni ngayo yonke lento uMamgobhozi uyanibona ku video landelayo bye.